Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Deb and today we are back with another unboxing video. So this is a mechanical keyboard which is the Cosmic Byte GK-16 Firefly, and this has Outemu Blue switches. There is another version of this available which is called the GK-18, and that has linear red switches. The difference between that and this is that one is silent. You can get that if you do Twitch streaming or game streaming, that is very silent, so that click noise will not disturb your viewers or people around you. This is very good for typing, and I like this. I mostly will be using this for typing and programming, so this gives a good tactile feedback which I prefer. So let's see what is mentioned in the package. So this is braided cable. This is the input is USB. All keys are anti-ghosting. That's good. That is one of the important features for gaming keyboards. The key should be anti-ghosting. So let me tell you a bit about anti-ghosting. That means if you click multiple keys together, all of them will register and none of it will be skipped, which is especially useful for gaming. So yeah, all key anti-ghosting. Again, RGB lighting effect. So this is another important point. This is RGB and not rainbow. I will show you a little bit later what are the difference between the two. So this has mechanical keys, of course, reactive and tactile, RGB LEDs, compact design. So TKL, metal upper. So apparently this is made of metal. Let's see what's on the behind. So yeah, all the features are listed here. Technical specifications. The number of keys are 87. So TKL, yes. Outemu, made by Outemu. Outemu is a Chinese replacement or Chinese clones of the cherries. So the switch lifetime is 50 million, yeah, quite standard. The polling rate of this is 1000 Hz, so that is also good. Anti-ghosting, yes, total anti-ghosting. 4 RGB. Lighting animation is 11, which we will see in a little while. The switch colors are blue, yes, Outemu Blue switches. 12 multimedia keys. Cable length is 1.6. It's braided. Palm rest, no palm rest. So yeah, that's a shame, but yeah, it's okay. You can make do. There is a software, that's good. And keyboard weight is given 758, which we will also test a little bit later. So let us go ahead and do the unboxing. So another important point is this is made in China, as all of them are. So yeah, but it's worth mentioning. So inside the box we have the keyboard and no manual. Oh, there is a manual, but it mentions software download, just 2 pages. That's nice. That's nice. They don't waste paper, eco-friendly, I guess. Nothing else. That's neat. Let's put this aside. Coming to the main keyboard, that's quite heavy. Oh, nice. Very compact layout. So in the front we have this is, I have to say, this is very good weight. Mechanical blue switches. Let me see if I can remove a switch and show you what's underneath. So coming to the keycaps, these are double shot. As you can see, there are 2 layers. What this means is this black is not painted. So what it means is with repeated usage, this will not fade away. Usual keyboards, what happens is if you use it for a long time, this fades away and the white underneath comes out, or this printed, this goes away and it is just a polished black surface. So no chance of that happening here, because this is actually the white you see here. This is actually another layer of plastic which you can see. And what also it does is it allows the light to reflect from the back to the front. So that is one good thing. So yeah, the keys are hot swappable. You can replace these keycaps with your own keycaps of your own choice. So coming to the switches, these are the new gen switches. This has these little raised parts in the sides, which is good for stability. It's very clicky. This is very clicky. let me put that back. So as they were saying, the upper part is metal, so this part is metal, this part is not, this is plastic, as you can see. Let me show you a side view of this. So there are stabilizers. I heard that in the GK-18 model there was a problem with the space bar, it wobbled a bit. So there is not much wobble here, it's good, it's solid. Let us see what's in the back. This is plastic. This has rubber for good grip on your table while gaming, that is important. And this is a stand. And yeah, one good thing is they have rubber in this part also in the stand, so that's nice of them. So the cable is braided, 1.6 meter. They have this magnetic ring for minimal interference, EMI suppression, and yeah, fairly normal USB, not gold plated. Let me show you the difference between a TKL and a full-sized keyboard. So this is how it looks. In the TKL, this numpad is not there, so it's compact and it is especially useful for people who has less space on their desk. For me, I usually prefer this because anyways I don't use the numpads and I like this compact feel of this. Now let's switch this on and show you the lighting of this. Okay guys, so I have switched off the light to give you a better understanding of the lights. The lights are quite good. It's quite visible from below the keycaps. It's really nice. Let me cycle through the various effects. This is 18 preset configurations which you can cycle by pressing the FN and the insert key. So let's have a look at that. These look beautiful. This has a software, so you can configure that using that too. So all in all, it's really beautiful, and I will show you the entire range of colors in the full review of this video. Stay tuned for that. I will be posting that soon. Now let me show you the difference between an RGB and a rainbow keyboard. So this here guys is the Evo Fox mechanical keyboard. I did a review of that a few days back. Go check it out if you haven't. I'll put the link of that on top of this video and in the description also. So coming back to this, this is a rainbow keyboard. So what that means is you cannot configure the LED, the light of each individual switches. So this key, as you see, it will be red. You can have different animations, you can cycle through those animations, but the difference is this will be always red. But in an RGB, the color of individual switches are programmable, and it can cycle through all the colors of the rainbow. So another thing I wanted to show you guys is the deck flex of this. This is very stable. So while gaming, there is no flex at all. As you can see, it does not flex at all because the top part of this is metal and this is a TKL. So that is one thing I like. So the last thing, let us check the weight of this. It was mentioned as 750 grams, and let us see in actuality what it has. Oh, nice. For once, it's actually what it's written, 755. That's nice. So as we're at the end of the video, and let me do a little bit of a typing test to show you how it sounds. And let's type something and listen to Blue Outemu switches. So yeah. That's it guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions regarding this keyboard, put them in the comments below and I will try to answer all of you. So if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and till then check out one of our latest videos here, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.